Mga bangal daw, tayo amin nga awan labas na. Shoutout ko din sa mga friend ko dyan sa ibang bansa. Hello, saka mga bago kong kaibigan. Saka mga subscribers dyan. Thank you sa lagi niyong suporta sa akin. Saka yung mga mahal kong viewers, shout out sa inyong lahat. I don't know why you say goodbye. Just let me know you did not go forever, my love. Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please, on my knees, that you want to me. Never you, that it was just a fun when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, and you won't really see my pain, and you give the lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it's not real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise, wet in your eye. Come back to me and we'll be happy together. Come again, and you won't lose my pain, and we keep the lovers again. Maybe today I make you still a little while, just for smile in love together. For I will show a place I know, and talk you where it will be happy forever. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, and you won't really see my pain, and we keep the lovers again. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, and you won't listen my pain, and we keep the lovers again. Thank you mga friends for watching. Maraming salamat po sa lagi ng suporta sa akin.